And now, an interview with the great, fantastic, wonderful band, Hoot!
Rata. Hello everybody. It's great to be here. Yeah, it's fantastic. It's wonderful.
Is your CD a hit?
Yes, it's number one. People love it. Everybody sing your song.
Do you have many fans?
Oh yes, millions.
Do you travel a lot?
Oh yes, we do. To many places. To Brazil. To Jamaica.
There are many people in the band.
Yes, there are 4 singers.
What are your names?
My name is Bob. My name is Zig Zig. I am Chuck. I am Billy. When did he have 2 dancers?
So let's meet the dancers. What are your names?
My name is Sebastian. My name is Marek.
Do you always dance with the band?
Yes, we do. We love to dance. Our choreographers are great. People love our dance steps.
Do you practice a lot?
Yes, we do. 5 hours a day.
Every day?
Yes, every day.
Tell us about your next show.
It will be tomorrow. In Florianópolis, Brazil. At turmas Cafe Station. At 8 p.m.
So now, let's watch Hoot. What songs are you playing?
Two little brothers. Every little thing gonna be alright. Ziggy, don't worry about a thing. Every little thing gonna be alright. Right side is morning. My ears is red and sun. 3 little birds by my doorstep, singing sweet songs. Gonna read your nature, singing. This is my message to you. They don't worry about a thing. Every little thing gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up in the morning, my ears get ready to send 3 little birds is by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of every joy. This is my message to you. They don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. They don't worry about a thing.
Cala a boca.
Ah, não tá gravando ainda?
Tá gravando.
Valeu, tchau. Você balancei. Eu quero dançar com você.
Do you travel a lot?
Alright, we do. Too many, please. Everybody sing your song.
Que porra é essa que tu tá lendo, cara?
É do Brasil, porra.
Vai, como deu. People! Para, chefe.
É isso. O Chaves fica falando de Jabulani.
O que eu falei, cara? Eu não falei Jabulani, né?
Cara, viu?
Eu não falei, eu só falei aquela hora.
Tá bom, Chaves, então cala a boca agora.
Eu vou chorar, cara.
Tem que botar uma ficha no Chaves que já falou.
Não, eu tenho que ir embora. Não presta atenção, cara. Ô, tu tá em casa, cara. Ouviu o que ele falou? Eu tenho que...
Poxa, vemos outro aí muito chato, cara. Meu porra, deu. Vai,
Ele falou, eu tenho que ir embora, cara. Eu tá em casa, por favor. Right, morei. Meu caminho. O quê? Vem no rádio toca uma canção. É o que me faz lembrar você. Eu fico louco. Ai. Deixa chover. Deixa. Semente cair na terra já pode brotar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, go! Há mais de uma semana, há milhas e milhas distantes do meu amor. Será que ela está me esperando? Eu fico aqui voando alto, chego perto do céu.